Balitang showbiz tayo ngayon. Magsasama-sama ang mga Pinoy OPM singing stars para sa isang Yule Star Christmas concert series na nakatakdang ganapin sa November 30 at December 1 ngayong taon. Isasagawa ang concert sa The Samsung Performing Arts Theater sa Makati City kung saan tampok ang iba't ibang Christmas song. Pangungunahan ng Philippine Military Academy Alumni Association ang event sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Department of National Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro at Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. Nadadaluhan ng mga series stars Joey G at Angelina Quinto with special guest Ice Sigera. Magtatanghal naman para sa ikalawang concert sa December 1 sina Jose Marichan, Christian Bautista, Rosel Nava, Ogie Alcacid, Ninya at iba pang OPM artists. Kumpiyansa ang mga singer na mag-i-enjoy ang mga manonood sa concert, partikular na ang kanilang mga fans.
Gusto ko magpasalamat po sa PMA Alumni Association po, no. Thank you for including me to be part of this concert. Kagaya nga po na sinabi ni Direk kanina, let's not forget kung para din kanino to. It's not just us na may entertain at mag-entertain ng mga tao, but it's also actually for our soldiers and their families. Sila po na madalas ay inuuna ang buhay ng iba bago ang sarili nila.
Kita po tayo sa concert sa November 30. Me with my person with Angeli and of course Ice Sigara. Yun lang po. Merry Christmas.
Yes, thank you very much. Kami po ni Nina ay sa December 2. Let's promote the concert. Saturday, the concert. Ito po ay napakagandang show. Alam mo, nung nag-Viber kami ni Direk, meron kasing version si Josh Groban nung Silent Night. Kung papakinggan niyo po, doon sa gitna nun, may mga sundalo na nagsasalita. Tapos binabati po nila yung kanilang mga mag-anak. I think this was the time when there was a war in the Middle East, something like that. So binabati nila yung mga kamag-anak nila. Oh, binabati namin yung from Kentucky, from ganyan-ganyan. And kasi kami ni Regine, we always play this song every Christmas. So kaya memoryado ko yung song na yun. So when I brought it up with Direk, sabi niya, ay hindi, meron kaming video interviewing soldiers, which will be more than enough to, you know, to introduce the audience what they're going through and what they're doing. And sabi ko, that's ganda-ganda nung ginawa niyo yun. So, yun naman ang soul ng concert na to. This is for the benefit of their advocacy and of course for them, for us to remember what they're doing for our country, to keep us safe at night so that we can sleep at night safe and sound. Merry Christmas in advance. God bless.
Ako po nagpapasalamat sa PN-AI sa pag-imbita sa aming mga artists na para gamitin po ang aming talent and music for a good cause. Yun lang naman po ang importante din sa amin. Hindi lang puro kanta ng kanta. At least meron din pong kaming na-share through our talent and music. So yun po. Thank you so much.
Philippine Military Alumni Association. Ako magpapasalamat sa inyong lahat for helping us in promoting this concerts. Yung success nitong concert will benefit all the members of the PMA Association. Ito ay makapagbibigay, yung maibibigay namin sa kanila ay makapagbibigay din ng confidence nila na whatever happens in the field, sila ay, yung pamilya nila ay talagang confident na matutulungan. Yung mga anak nila, they can have a free education. And of course, the academy, we will improve yung professors in their teaching style. We have the scholarship on their higher education, and of course some projects na development in the academy.
Okay, so see you there. Don't forget December 1, December 2 for the party here. With yourself and Christmas.
Ako si Buboy Patriarca, nagbabalita para sa Road News.